Hello everyone, my name is Yanahida, and in this webinar I would like to walk you through service portal of Micro Focus SMAX. Right now we are looking at the service portal landing page. From here we can do a lot of stuff. We can request a service, request a support, we can ask or answer questions, we can suggest an idea, and even we can approve or deny changes or requests. We will start by requesting a service. For that, we need to select a service offering. We can do that by searching for it in this field, or we can drill down into the service catalog categories. But we'll go through the search. Let's say we want a new PC. We can type it down and it already suggested results for us. The first one, that looks fine. Let's open it. Now we are in the service offering. There is some basic information in the overview, but we are more interested in the request details. In here, we need to fill in some fields. The first two fields are the default fields for every service request. And then there are some offering specific fields. In this case, a select PC. We can choose which PC do we want. Let's go for high performance. Okay, high performance goes with another selection. We can pick the external monitor. Okay, let's go for it as well. We need to fill all the mandatory fields. These can be identified by this red asterisk. So this means this needs to be filled as well. So we need to write down why we need it. Let's say old PC is broken. And since we don't need to add any attachment at this moment, we can submit the offering. We can do that by just clicking submit, which will create the request ticket immediately, or we can add it to cart, and this will create a shopping cart similar to Amazon shopping cart, and we can put more requests into it. So let's go and do it. Okay, now we are in our cart and there is one request. Let's go back to the landing page. Let's open OS, PC, and printer category. And let's search for headset. Request a PC headset. Yeah, that's what we want with our PC as well. Business justification, contact method can stay email. Let's add it to cart as well. And now we can submit our cart with two IT service requests, a new PC and new PC headset. Checkout, we need to write down a title, PC and a headset, and submit it. Request created successfully. A ticket with this ID has been created. So let's open it. In here, we can see some basic information about the request ticket. We can see the details which we've written, and also we can see in the right corner, we can see the phase in which the ticket is in. At this moment, it is in approval phase, waiting for approval. Another thing we can do in Service Portal is request a support. When something is not working, something is broken, we need help with fixing something, we'll go for support requests. I've opened again OS, PC, and printer category, and this lists all the offerings. In the right column, we can see the type of each offering. The first one is request for support. Something is not working. The second one is request for service. We want something new. This one is article. This is just for passing information. We'll go ahead and open the first support request because we want our PC to be fixed. Problem, hard drive issue, how it affects my work. I'm blocked for doing my job, and we can submit it. Again, request ticket with this ID has been created. As you can see, it's pretty intuitive and straightforward. Requesting a service or support, all the offerings looks the same, and it's pretty easy and fast to open a request ticket. Another thing we can do here is ask or answer a question. In here, ask friends, we can, if we want to ask something and we don't really need to open a request ticket, we can ask a question. Let's say there is something wrong with a printer, we want to find out more information. We can write it in here. It also proactively searches for questions that have been already asked, so we don't repeat questions. And if our issue is not in here, we can just write down what is happening and post it. Or we can go to help friends and we can look through the questions that have been asked, and if we know something, we for example know how to change a voicemail password, we can open it and help our colleague Joao by answering his question. Another thing we can do is suggesting an idea. If we think something can be done better, something can be improved, we'll open an idea. Each idea goes through its own process where related people need to take a look at it and comment on it, so we can do that in here. Another thing I've mentioned at the beginning is approvals. In Service Portal, we can approve, for example, change tickets or request tickets, or we can accept or reject solutions for our requests. In this right corner, I can see that there are 2 approvals waiting for me. So let's open it. Actually, it is 1 approval. There is 1 change ticket, and since I am member of Change Advisory Board, I need to approve or deny this change ticket, and there is a service request which have been fulfilled, and I need to accept or reject the solution. So let's open the request. We can see some information about the request and the solution. PC headset has been delivered. We can see what happened in the ticket. It was assigned, solution has been posted, and now I can either accept or reject. Since headset has been delivered, let's go ahead and accept it. And this closes the request. So that's it. That was my walkthrough through the Service Portal. As you can see, everything is quite intuitive and straightforward. It took just a few clicks to open a service request or support request. Everything is pretty fast. So I hope you enjoyed this webinar, and I hope you'll enjoy working with Service Portal.